Be very careful with gossip. It makes you hate the innocent and value the liar. Through distorted words, relationships deteriorate and trust fades. Gossip creates a vicious cycle of mistrust and bitterness, leading to situations that may be irreparable. Remember that words have power, they can build or destroy. Instead of being carried away by rumors, seek the truth. Talk directly to the person involved, ask questions, listen and understand. By doing this, you not only protect yourself, but also foster an environment of respect and empathy. Cultivate the wisdom of being selective with the information you accept and share. When you reject gossip, you make room for honesty and authenticity, strengthening true bonds and building a more united and supportive community. Often, those who spread rumors do so out of insecurity or a desire to feel superior, while those who are the targets of these stories suffer unfairly. Ultimately, the choice is yours, to be someone who spreads the truth or to contribute to the silent destruction caused by gossip. What you say and share reflects not only what's in your heart, but also the kind of world you help build. Be someone who empowers, who inspires, who seeks to understand before judging. Honesty and empathy create genuine connections, while gossip only drives people apart and hurts. When you choose the path of truth, you not only protect others, you also empower yourself. So before you pass on a story, ask yourself, does it build up or tear down? Choose to be a light amid the shadows of misinformation. Because in the end, those who build bridges will always go further than those who build walls.